Today we are going to learn about circuit matrix. Circuit matrix is a type of matrix representation in graph theory. Let's take a graph G where it has n vertices and e edges, and it has different circuits. It is represented as M. So let's take a circuit matrix B where Bij on the graph G having M by E matrix, which means M rows, M as rows and E as columns. So we can create the circuit matrix that B of G is equal to B of Ig, and if the ith circuit includes the jth circuit, is having the value 1, and otherwise the value is 0 for that matrix. For this we can take an example. In this example we are having 8 edges and 5 vertices, and from this example we get 4 different circuits, that are circuit 1, circuit 2, circuit 3 and circuit 4. In circuit 1 we are having edges A, B and E, that are A, B, E. This is one circuit, and second circuit D, E, C is circuit 2, and the third circuit G, F, and the fourth circuit A, B, C and D. This whole 4 edges contain the fourth circuit, and we can write the matrix in the form of M by E, where M is the row and E is the columns. So B is equal to B of Ij is equal to C1, C2, C3 are the columns and A to B are the row. So in the first circuit the edges are 1, A, B and E. So we put the values 1 on the corresponding edges A, B and E, and the other edges are not there, so we put the values 0. From the given definition, if the ith circuit include the jth edges, we put the value 1, and otherwise the value is 0. Similarly, we put the values for circuit 2. In the circuit 2 we have having edges D, E and C. So we put the value 1 for D, E and C, 1, 1, and others are 0. And for circuit 3 the values are G and F. So we put 1 in the position G and F, and our other values are 0 for all other values in the circuit in this row. And the fourth circuit contains edges A, B and A, B, C, D. So the values 1 for A, B1, C1, D1 and E and F contain value 0. This is how we make a circuit matrix. From this matrix we have an observations or some properties that are: if the number of ones in each row is equal to the number of edges in the corresponding matrix, that is, if each row contains the number of ones is equal to the corresponding edges of the matrix. So for circuit 1 having edges A, B and E will having ones in that row. In the circuit 1 for A, B for having 1 and E having 1. In second property, if in the second property G1 and G2 having same circuit, if two graphs having same circuits, the G1 and G2 are called isomorphic. And third property, if the two rows containing, now the third property means the row containing a single 1 in a circuit, it indicates a self loop in the graph. That is, if in a graph having only one value in this row, if for example if the value of container C is only G, that means value of G having 1 and all other values are 0, then it is a self loop. And the fourth one, If the graph is disjoint, then we can make the matrix as B of G1 0 0 and B of G2, where G1 and G2 are the two matrices. Thank you.